Hello student, today's topic is sex differentiation. It is also called gonadal differentiation. It happens at the time of gestation. Uh, you already know that egg which carry X chromosome and sperm which carry X or Y chromosome also. At the time of fertilization, sperm fertilized to egg, and after fertilization it undergoes the cleavage and convert into morula, gastrula, so on. And at the time of 6th to 7th week in the embryonic development, differentiation of female and male genitalia is started. What happened in the process of masculinization? You see the diagram of 6th week. It is the ideal diagram in which Mullerian duct, which is red in color, is responsible for female, and the blue colored tube, it is a Wolffian duct and it is related to male, and above it is gonad, it is bipotential, it is not disorganized into ovary or testes. During the masculinization, Y chromosome, which is carry X SRY gene, and it secrete the SRY protein, and it is responsible for the development of testes. After the development of testes, it secrete testosterone, and this hormone causes the Mullerian duct to become seminal vesicle, vasa deferens, and the ejaculatory duct. You see the diagram, red color Mullerian duct, it is disappear because after the formation of testes, it secrete the anti-Mullerian hormone, which in which Mullerian duct become degenerated. So see the next diagram, at the 10th week only blue color Wolffian duct is remained there. At the time of feminization, here the DNA, here no SRY genes. So no testes produced, and due to no testes here, no testosterone is produced. So it causes the Wolffian duct to degenerate. You see the diagram, no SRY gene, it means it causes the bipotential gonad to develop into the ovary. See the diagram here, the red color Mullerian duct is remain, and the Wolffian duct become degenerated because no anti-Mullerian hormone. It happened at the time of gestation at the 10th weeks. After this, you see the Mullerian duct, it goes downward, and cloaca become upward. So here, due to no anti-Mullerian hormone, it causes Mullerian duct to become Wolffian tube and uterus also. At the birth time, here you see the external view of female. Here the labia, anus, and clitoris is formed, and it converted into cloaca, vagina, anus, because absence of androgen hormone, it form female sex organ. And see, whenever no anti-Mullerian hormones is caused, here the Mullerian duct to become Wolffian tube, fallopian tube, and uterus. At the birth time, you see proceeding the masculinization, here whenever the testosterone is secreted, here DHT hormone is also secreted. Whenever here is no DHT, still have the male organ, but outside it look like female. At the time of puberty, it undergoes the masculinization process. You see the external view, upper portion is a gland penis and anus, and due to the DHT cause development of male external genitalia. And after the external view, whenever the DHT causes development of male external genitalia, it proceeds to develop testes and fully developed penis. It is an overview diagram of gonadal differentiation. It is the sequential distinguishing between the feminization and masculinization. Okay, thank you.